back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. In today's video, I'm going to make a very delicious Khasi dish from the state of Meghalaya. This recipe was given to me by a very close friend of mine who is an amazing cook and an amazing friend. She always makes sure she takes care of us when we are in Shillong. And I know I've nailed the dish because I've been talking to her for the past few minutes. It's 12 a.m. in the morning and yeah, I know I did it right. Anyways, it's called Tadong Masi Sarwa and let's go ahead and cook it. I'm so sorry I forgot to let you guys know that Masi Tadong Sarwa actually translates as beef tail stew.
The ingredients that you will be requiring are beef tail, of course, 1 carrot, 1 medium-sized potato, some onions, 1-inch piece of ginger that you can roughly slice, 1 tablespoon of oil, pepper and salt to taste. The first thing that we need to do is cook the meat with salt without adding water to it. Let's get some caramelization going on and give our meat some nice color. I plan to pressure cook the meat after this, so instead of a wok, I'm sauteing it in an instant pot. You can make use of any regular pressure cooker. It smells delicious and the meat has gotten a beautiful color. Now is when you need to add some water to it and set it up for pressure cooking for about 30 minutes. The meat has gotten really tender and the stock looks delicious. In the same utensil, we need to saute our vegetables, hence empty the meat and the stock and put the vessel back on the stove. Now let's drop in the onions, and along with it goes in the carrot, cubed potatoes, ginger and pepper. Saute it for a bit and then add in the meat, mix it well, then you can add in the stock and pressurize for another 10 minutes. I've been eagerly waiting for this and it looks amazing. It is done, people. Piping hot Masi Tadong Sarwa can be served with hot rice and hot rotis.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself a Masi Tadong Sarwa at home and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. I would love to have a discussion with you and maybe I'd like to hear about how your version is. And in case any of you have very interesting recipes from the Northeast, please feel free to send me an email. It's there in my YouTube channel. The details are there in my YouTube channel. I would love to feature them in my show and you will definitely get the credits. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel yet, you know the drill. Please subscribe, and for all my subscribers, thank you already. And I'm also getting active in Instagram, so please follow me in Instagram as well at Eat Your Kappa handle. And I'll see you in the next video with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Bye bye. Awesome.